Everyone's talking about rosemary, rice water, and onion juice, but there's one miracle plant most people are overlooking: aloe vera. What if I told you this simple, soothing plant could unlock your fastest hair growth yet, if only you knew how to use it the right way? Stay with me, because in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I use aloe for extreme hair growth, the science behind it, and my secret method that makes all the difference. I used to struggle with slow growth and constant breakage. I tried expensive oils, supplements, and even scalp massages that didn't seem to work, until I went back to the basics: nature. That's when I rediscovered aloe vera, the same plant my grandmother used on her hair. And let me tell you, within weeks, my hair felt stronger, softer, and my scalp was finally calm. That's when I realized, sometimes, the simplest ingredients work the hardest. Here's why aloe is a powerhouse for hair growth. It's rich in proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp, basically resetting your scalp health. It also contains vitamins A, C, and E, which promote cell turnover, and vitamin B12 and folic acid, which help prevent hair loss. So while most people think aloe just moisturizes, it actually helps stimulate growth from the root up. Let's make the perfect aloe growth treatment. Here's what you'll need. 1 large aloe leaf, fresh. 2 tablespoons of castor oil, for thickness. 1 tablespoon of rosemary oil or rosemary-infused water, for stimulation. Cut the aloe leaf open and scoop out the gel. Blend it until smooth, no lumps. Add your oils and stir gently. You now have a powerful, natural hair growth blend that nourishes your scalp and strengthens your strands from root to tip. Now, here's how to use it for maximum results. Apply it directly on your scalp, focusing on thin or dry areas. Massage gently for 3 to 5 minutes to improve blood flow. Cover your hair with a shower cap and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing out with a mild shampoo. For best results, use it 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency is key. Your scalp needs time to respond, but when it does, the results are amazing. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They don't strain the aloe after blending it, and end up with tiny white flakes all over their hair. Or they leave it in for too long and complain of itchy scalp. Aloe is powerful, but it must be used correctly. It's meant to hydrate and heal, not sit on your hair forever. If you want to take your aloe routine even further, here are my top 3 boosters. Add onion juice. It increases sulfur and boosts collagen for faster growth. Use warm rosemary water. The heat helps aloe penetrate deeper. Drink aloe juice, because healthy hair starts from within. Remember, external care plus internal nourishment equals unstoppable growth. So let's recap. Aloe repairs your scalp, restores moisture, and creates the perfect foundation for hair growth. It's simple, it's natural, and it